Okay, we are going to learn how to do charts. We're just going to make one kind of chart in here, but I'm going to show you all the different tools. They're all very similar to make the other charts too. So to do charts, you're going to highlight what you want, but where the charts are is under Insert and right here in the chart group. Okay, sometimes when you highlight what you want, it has recommended charts. There is also bar graphs, bar charts, line charts, a whole bunch of different pie charts. So read the instructions, look and see what it's telling you to insert. For this one, we are going to make a chart based on the last name and the yearly wage. Now, sometimes it has you highlight the headings and sometimes it picks that up automatically. So first, I'm going to try it without the headings. I'm going to highlight the last name. Now I'm going to hold the Control key on my keyboard, hold it down. I'm going to highlight the yearly wage. Notice they go right across from each other, just like that. And we're going to insert a bar. And then we're going to just do the first 2D. Generally, I'm going to have you just do the first 2D one. And then you can see that it popped up right here. You can click and drag it off to the side. Usually that makes it easier. If you really want, you can change the colors. I don't require that. One thing I do require is often for you to change the layout, and usually I'll tell you which layout to choose. To do that, you clicked on it, and you're going to do chart layout group right here, and quick layout, and then you have a whole bunch of different options. If you hover over them, it tells you the number. You'll notice that. So, click on it, and we're going to do chart layout 9. And so here you can change the chart title by double clicking on it, delete it, and then we are going to name this yearly employees yearly wage. And then just click away and exit out of that. You don't need that. Change this again, you're going to double click on it and you put employees names, click away, and then on here it's kind of weird typing off the side. You can put yearly wage. Click away, get out of this. There you go, I have my chart. It's that simple. Now sometimes when you highlight them, you're going to have to just highlight over like that. Sometimes you're going to have to do the control thing like I did. Sometimes you might have to do switch row and column. And again, the instructions are going to tell you if you need to do this, okay? Sometimes that might have to happen. Then you don't really have to worry about this format chart tools unless you really want to. So again, we're going to go to Insert, and you go to Chart, and then you have to do all that other stuff. There's a lot of different options for you to pick to do. I will tell you which one to pick. So yep. But just keep in mind, there's a lot of different options, so if you're ever using Excel outside of this class, you have those options.